The key to making the perfect sour cabbage. Fish is the pickled sour mustard condiment. Prepare the fish fillets, pickled mustard green, the classic Szechuan pickled sour mustard condiment and other food materials. To boil the classic Szechuan pickled sour mustard condiment, pickled mustard green, needle mushrooms, and baby bok choy, and then place them into a bowl. Put the fish fillets and pickled mustard green into the pot. Boil them until cooked, and then scoop them up and put them in the bowl. Sprinkle with chopped green onion and it's ready to serve. The traditional earthen jar fermentation method makes the pickled mustard green crisp, tender, and fragrant, giving the dish an irresistible aroma and texture. It is a must for making pickled mustard green with fish or sour soup with noodle. Authentic Szechuan flavor from classic Szechuan.